how to fix error 529 in Roblox. Open up your computer search and first search for VPN settings. Click on VPN settings here and make sure you don't have a VPN connection active. Now once you have confirmed that you don't have a VPN active, open up your computer search again, search for run, click on run, and then you want to type %temp%. Click OK. Here you need to select any folder and type R, and you just want to find your Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it. Once you have deleted it, we will go to the last step, which is going to be opening up our computer search for the last time, searching for Roblox player, right click, open file location, again right click, open file location, Roblox player beta, right click, and then go into properties, compatibility, and check these two options, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK, and this should fix error 529 in Roblox. If it still doesn't, the last step which I can give you, or the last tip, is going to be searching for view network connections, clicking on it, then clicking on your first network, right clicking, properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4. Again, you want to select properties, use the following DNS server addresses and type 88888844. Validate settings upon exit, click on OK. This is going to connect you to the Google DNS and it should fix the issue. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.